Hey everyone, today is March 7th, 2026, and today we're at Swansboro, North Carolina. We're going to take a tour of the town and kind of walk around and show you what they have to offer here. And we also brought Cece with us today, and Becca's here, and let's go check it out. So we're starting at this cool underpass bridge here, which goes over to the park across the street from downtown. Some rough looking clouds that way. But as you can see down at this park here, it's a real neat little circle park here. You can go fishing out on the pier. Just sit here and look over the water. And they got a statue, which says it's Captain Otway Burns Jr., 1775 to 1850. So he was a legislator, shipbuilder, merchant, born 2 miles from this area in downtown Swansboro. So that's pretty cool history. So he was a well-known figure to this area. And it's a nice area just to sit here and just enjoy the view. Pretty neat. Alright, so now we're going to head back under the bridge, under the overpass here, which goes into the downtown Swansboro area. It is a really beautiful day out today. So this is, in March, and it's going to be 77 degrees out today. Yesterday was 81. And the whole next week's supposed to be in like the 70s and 80s, which is really cool for eastern North Carolina. This time of the year, you can really just get about anything. So we're enjoying it. All right, so we're walking up into the downtown now. So this is one of the more well-known restaurants. It's called the Burrow.
It's really good.
Good seafood restaurant, like water views. Make their own food, homemade, and they have live music out here in this little front section. It's pretty cool. And then you have a restaurant here in the corner when you first come in, and a couple little boutique stores right there. So we're gonna head down towards this way. And the look of those buildings is really neat, because these buildings here are probably from, when do you think they're from? Probably like
Early 1900s, maybe?
Yeah, I'd say like 1800s, early 1900s. Kind of has like the cool, like old time, like Western town storefront look to it, which is pretty cool looking. It says Russell's Old Times Shop, which is now a like boutique, like little gift shop and thing. And they got the martini bar next door. Yeah, the martini bar is fun. They have like desserts and martinis.
It's like permanent, all that.
Yeah, it's like the Prohibition style, like the 1920s type of vibe in there.
It's dark.
So
Sweet.
it's pretty cool looking to look in here. And then over on across the street, they have the Front Street Grocery, which used to be a little store that a friend of ours owned. And now they kind of transitioned into a bar. So if you come here at nighttime, it's a fun little place to hang out. I mean, it's like where the locals go and stuff. So that's a cool place.
They still have
Pet friendly.
things.
Yeah. So it's neat. And the next door, yeah, Yana's, they have like a 1950s style, like old restaurant diner type thing.
Fritters.
So you have Elvis here. They have yeah, apple fritters, things like that, burgers, 50s style foods. Here's a little view of the menu. So you have your breakfast things, omelets and such, pancakes, and they have really good burgers. It's a good mix of things. And their fritters, they're amazing. Yeah, I believe this is one of the oldest places here in Swansboro, the old brick store, which was founded in 1839. This building was built. I'll show you some history on the plaque then on the side. So yeah, this has some information here. The old brick store circa 1838-39, which was used in the 1800s to help export turpentine and naval stores from the White Oak River and Bogue Sound areas to the northern states. So this is a very like important part of history. This building supplied a lot of things. Hello. Hey, Beck. Cece. Hi. I'm going over here. So you head down, keep going this way more. There's some more shops. They got the Gray Dolphin, it's called. Not to be confused with the Gay Dolphin in Myrtle Beach.
No.
That's a totally different
gray.
store. Yeah, this one's gray. Yes. This is the Watson Parkin store, 1910. So it seems like most of this town's from like the later 1800s, early 1900s. But I mean, there was probably a lot of different buildings and things here before these were also. An antique store. This store can kind of be open or not open depending what day you're here, because they don't have like really a set of hours, I don't think. I come sometimes and it's open and sometimes it's not, but it is cool to check out and look inside. A lot of like nautical, vintage type of stuff like that. And they got the merman sticking out of there. And everywhere downtown you can always get like amazing views. It's just awesome views of the water and the sound, which right out here it almost goes right out to the ocean over there. So there's a couple islands and things, but basically you're almost right on the ocean here. And then Emerald Isle, Atlantic Beach, and that island is across the bridge over there, which have the Pine Knoll Shores Aquarium. And then Emerald Isle has a lot of fun, like beach town stuff, like tourist things, check out, and the ocean. Right here on the corner, we have this Willy Nilly Warehouse and Bake Bottle and Brew, which is like a bar, kind of hangout place on the bottom. And then at the top, they have a coffee shop with ice cream, books, kind of like a place to relax and a place to party underneath. So, and they have a beautiful outdoor deck in the back that you can have great views to sit in while you're drinking your beer. What's that?
It tells you all about their bagged coffee here, like where they're from,
yeah.
what their like notes are. They even
These
have
are
Bible
neat.
verses on it.
New Day coffee beans. It is cool. And don't forget this candle. So devotionals and prayer books for your babies. So they got the more religious stuff on this side and the more spicy things over here.
Guess they have to have something for everyone.
A little bit something for everybody, yeah. Here's those blind dates with the books.
I would love that. Oh, see, we could have used this when we were planning our wedding.
Oh yeah, wedding planner.
Checklist? That would have been nice. We just flew by the seat of our pants.
And then on the back wall, they have like a pretty big selection of books, new releases and things like that, kids' books.
Love it.
Yeah,
Puzzles.
some fun things.
Plushies.
There's probably some dog stuff for Cece.
It's around.
Cece.
It's downstairs.
Hi.
Hey, hi.
Having fun?
Say hello. I love the books.
Yeah, they're rainbow
The
books.
rainbow.
Ooh.
I would never ruin my... I'm sorry. That's just really funny.
For some socks at some
I
point.
know. This is so cute. Uh-oh.
Hello, I'm new here. Have you tried screaming?
Yes. Poop machine.
Oh man, these are great. These are great.
These are cool.
These planners are cool. Yeah, they look like books. You put it on
Or
your
milk.
bookshelf. Oat milk, yeah.
That's cool. That's cute.
Whiner dog.
Ha ha.
Yeah. And then when you come out back here and you have your coffee or beer or whatever you have, they have a beautiful area to sit back out here and hang out, and they have live music down here, which starts pretty soon in spring, summer, and fall time. So they'll set a stage up here and kind of play the music out to the whole area. It's a lot of fun. And then coming out of there next to it, you got the Saltwater Grill, seafood restaurant, also with the nice waterfront views. Got a little gift store, a Rocket Fizz, and a bagel shop. So I think we'll go in the Rocket Fizz and find a specialty crafted soda bottle to try out. Here's a nice view of the town front from the water. It's a very small town, but it can keep you busy in the afternoon when there's music and eating and drinking. Nice place just to come hang out and have a relaxing day after the beach. The water's like super clear today too. And you can smell the fishy, like oystery kind of smell outside. Kind of smells like shrimp. Fizzy Pop has Captain Jack Sparrow out here. Go get next to him, Beck. We'll compare of size. What do you think?
He's got to be at least 6 foot.
Hey, he's pretty giant. What do you think, Cece? No?
He's huge.
Hey, Captain Jack.
Arg.
He's got a pretty good stare. He's got like dead eyes.
He
Look
does.
at this.
It means business.
They're like, looks like he's blind or something.
It might be. Staring out in the sun all day.
Yeah, he needs to get some sunglasses on that guy. Thank you.
That's better.
And Vader's right in his, right when you walk in. And little Yoda. Look at this, Beck. Crispy Choco Tub. Wonder what you do with that. These are all like Japanese things. What?
What makes their peanuts different than our peanuts?
Japanese peanuts. I don't know.
If anybody knows.
Yeah, let us know what Japanese style peanuts are if you do know.
I have no idea.
And there's a whole wall of sodas, different types of flavors. What is it?
The rainbows.
Oh yeah, these are always
They're
good.
good.
These you know will be good.
Mm-hmm.
I think this whole fridge here is just different types of root beers.
That's what
Just root beers in this fridge. That's crazy. And then you get to the weird stuff like the habanero pepper. What does that say? Gamer goop?
sounds
Cookie
nasty.
dough pies. Yeah, what is gamer goop? I don't know what that would consist of. Like Cheeto dust?
Ew. I would look bad.
Which one should we try? There's enchilada.
I don't.
We'll try something weird just for you guys.
Pickle soda.
Pickle soda, that is weird. You like pickles though, so maybe you'll like it, I don't know. Gross weird. Alright. So what we're getting is the pumpkin pie soda. Becca loves pumpkin pie. It's a weird flavor, but I don't think it'll be too bad, but it will be interesting though. It's definitely unique. So you could end up getting the pickle on this one. Strawberry jalapeno pepper. Would you chase that one?
No, I don't. It's spicy at all.
Pimple pop.
Ew.
I don't even know what that tastes like.
Disgusting.
Spicy pickle. Some bizarre stuff.
What's your name?
CC.
Hi, Cece.
If you're feeling daring, you can get the toe of Satan.
No.
Take a look at that thing. Oh, Beck, here's that chip challenge too. Some Dubai chocolates. If anyone's taken the one chip challenge, let us know how that went. I've thought about it, but it sounds, I don't know. I've seen some pretty bad reactions to it.
You can handle hot though.
Yeah, I can handle hot. I just haven't done that hot. I know the arcade bowling alley has like a hot wing challenge you can do.
I don't think that the black noodles you make were that bad.
Oh yeah, the ghost pepper noodles. You haven't seen the video.
Terrible.
We have a ghost pepper noodle challenge video on our channel if you want to check it out. All right, so we've acquired the pumpkin pie soda.
Hey.
How do you think it's gonna be?
I think it's gonna be like cinnamon, maybe.
Yeah, like cinnamony, like nutmeggy.
Kind of spicy.
Here we go. That's actually pretty good. It tastes like, yeah, like very cinnamony. What do you think of that?
It's like cream soda with cinnamon.
Yeah, like a cream soda pumpkin pie.
That's good.
It might sound weird, but
It's actually really
give it a
good.
try.
No, it's really good. I would drink it again.
Yeah, I would drink this again.
Yeah, that was really good.
Pumpkin pie. I mean, they had weird stuff like pickles and butter and all that. But I wanted something I could at least finish.
Yeah.
Not that you're just stuck with
Drinking
a nasty
something
bottle of
disgusting.
soda. Yeah.
No.
Because I already know I wouldn't like it.
No.
So, cool. So in this park here downtown, they'll do live concert, live music in the summertime. So I think every Sunday night they do music in the park here. So you can actually sit up there, or you can sit on the bleachers here, bring your own chair. And there's a lot of good bands and stuff that play here in the summer. Bless you. And then a little Irish pub. Becca got the espresso martini and almost...
It was so strong.
Yeah.
Like, I couldn't drink half of it and I was about to fall off my chair. That was bad.
Whatever they put in there was some
Woo!
pretty hard liquor.
Knock you out.
Mm-hmm.
Not like on your butt. No.
But if you're into that, the Irish pub
Go
does
there.
make them good.
Go
Yes,
there.
yes. That's called Church Street Market and Pub. But there's nothing better than a warm day, a warm winter day, pumpkin pie soda
Yes.
by the water.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it doesn't really get much better than that.
Breezy.
Yeah,
You can
breezy.
smell the oysters, the salt.
Oh yeah. Yeah, and let us know if you've ever been to Swansboro and what kind of fun memories you have here, or if you live here. Let us know, and just we enjoy it. It's a good place for families and just a good way to relax and have a more laid-back lifestyle. There's some pretty cool history plaques here too. Free School Advocate, 1749 Southern District. And here's an interesting fact that the first steamboat made in North Carolina was built in 1818 by Ottaway Burns, who is actually the statue over in that park in the beginning of the video that we've seen. So he made the first steamboat, which is very interesting. And then here's the old spelling of Swansboro. So it says it was Port Swansboro, named by Samuel Swan. So incorporated 1783. So pretty neat history. Also, if you're enjoying this video and you like Swansboro and things around this area, please follow our channel and like this and comment on it, and just let us know what else you'd like to see in this area, because we're can go anywhere in the Eastern Carolina area. So just let us know what you want to see or what you want updates on, and we can kind of keep you in the loop of what's going on around here. See ya.
Okay.
All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning into our video of Swansboro today. Thanks for coming along. Cece's panting now. But next week, we're going to be making a video of the Emerald Isle St. Patrick's Day Festival. So hope you tune in for that. And if you like and subscribe, you will get notified for that. So please check it out, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.